Hello dear, today we will see how we can calculate age in Excel. Here in column A we have entered today's date and in column B we have date of birth of 4 persons. We will calculate the age in column C. Before calculate we need to format the column C in a specific way. The formatting is very important. Let's see the way of format. First select the column C, use the shortcut Ctrl+1 to open the format cells. Then go to Custom. And from here remove General and type Y, then between double quotation right years. Then M and between double quotation right months. Then D and between double quotation right days. Alright, we are ready to use the formula. As usual we will start with equal sign. Then I am selecting A2, which is the today's cell in my Excel. Then minus and select B2, which is date of birth in my Excel, then -30. And hit enter. That's it. We are done. Then simply drag down for other 3. Congratulations. You just learned how to calculate age in Excel. Subscribe for other Excel tutorials. And comment if you have any query on this. Thank you.